Two giants in online course creation go head-to-head. Teachable or Udemy? Which one really delivers? On the left, Teachable. Build and own your online school. And on the right, Udemy. Launch and sell your course to a massive marketplace. Let's skip the marketing talk and break down what actually matters. Each round will award points, and by the end, you'll know exactly who wins in 2025. And be warned, the final result might catch you off guard.
All right, before I get ahead of myself, let's lay out exactly what we're going to compare today.
Picture a mind map on the screen. We've got platform model, customization and branding, marketing and student reach, pricing and revenue, ease of use, and features and flexibility. So, if you care about building your own brand, discovering students, or just making actual money, yep, we're covering every angle.
Let's kick things off with platform model. So Teachable is all about giving you your own branded online school. You get full control, even down to the way students move through your content. Kind of cool if you want to build your academy, right? But heads up, you got to bring your own audience here. If marketing sounds overwhelming, that can be a bit of a bummer. Now, Udemy flips that idea completely. You drop your course onto a massive marketplace and pretty much get instant access to millions of students. Udemy covers the marketing for you, which, honestly, for a lot of creators is a dream. But, and this is important, you don't own your brand on Udemy. Your course just sort of lives among a sea of competition. So, you want control and branding, or instant reach and less hassle. Honestly, for this category, it's a tie. They offer totally different vibes. Next up, customization and branding. Teachable is honestly every brand nerd's dream. You get to tweak your site, sales page, colors, and even slap your course on your own domain. Like, it's your school, your rules. The flip side, all that power means a little more setup. You might need to fiddle with some design stuff. Udemy, though, is super plug and play. You upload your course, and boom, you're basically done. But yeah, don't expect your own domain here. You're basically working inside Udemy's box. So if you want flashy logos or unique visuals, that's not happening. So if branding matters even a little bit, Teachable is hands down the winner. All right, let's get into marketing and student reach. Teachable does let you add some marketing integrations. Affiliate links, emails, all the typical stuff. It's solid if you want to tinker and build your list. But, and this is a real catch, you're flying solo for traffic. No one's going to magically find your school. On the other side, Udemy is like stepping into a busy airport. You just show up, and people can actually discover your course with zero effort on your part. The platform highlights new courses, and you get passive visibility. Honestly, that's huge. Only thing is, you don't get much say in direct marketing, and you're kind of flying blind with analytics. Still, the sheer reach makes Udemy a clear winner here. Oh, and here's something cool. Udemy has over 60 million students packed into its marketplace right now. But Teachable gives you the power to build a totally branded academy, where your students know they're working with you. Kind of wild seeing two totally different approaches, huh? Now, pricing and revenue. Teachable lets you set whatever price you want, from free or small offers to high ticket. And yeah, you keep most of the sale too. Major win for anyone looking to really own their business. There's a subscription fee starting around $59 a month though, so it's not totally free. Udemy, on the other hand, gives you zero upfront costs, so you can start instantly. Super accessible. But here's the kicker. Udemy sometimes takes up to 67% of your revenue, and your course might get thrown into a random discount without your say. If you want serious control and bigger payouts, Teachable easily takes this round. Let's talk ease of use. Teachable packs in a ton of features, so if you love tinkering, it's great. The learning curve, it's a little spicy. New creators might go, wait, what do I click? A few times. Udemy, though, is honestly just smooth. You could launch your course in a weekend. No joke. The builder walks you through everything, step by step. That does mean less flexibility if you want to upgrade later, but for getting started, it's hard to beat Udemy. So that's the winner here. And finally, features and flexibility. Teachable goes all out. Drip content, quizzes, coaching, memberships, the works. Plus, you can hook up third-party stuff like analytics with Zapier. It's a bit like building a course empire if you want. Just keep in mind, some fancy features are only on pricier plans. Udemy offers tons of student tools like quizzes, Q&A, reviews,
All super useful for community. Missing, though, are options for coaching or selling downloads. If you want a platform that can grow and flex with you, Teachable wins here. No contest. So, if you're visual like me, imagine a radar chart. Teachable spikes hard on customization, pricing control, and features, while Udemy looks super strong on reach and beginner friendliness. Some categories are neck and neck, but you can definitely see who dominates where. So, wrapping this up, here's my honest take. If you want full brand control, set your own prices, and actually own your student list, Teachable is the move. But if you want to launch fast, score instant exposure, and don't mind sharing your revenue for the chance at millions of eyeballs, Udemy is going to save you time and effort. For 2025, it's honestly about what makes you feel excited to build and teach. And hey, if you want more deep dives like this, or you've got another course platform on your mind, let me know what you want to see next. Your comments totally steer these guides, so don't be shy.